Chichi. Is that you?
Oscar. Poto. Hey.
Are you hungry?
What kind of question is that? Me that went to work since 8 o'clock a.m. in the morning, and I am back by this time. What is the time? And they go and bring food for me because. Can you imagine? Poto.
Well, the thing is that since I did not know you were going to come back early, the food is not finished.
I have ear problem. I did not hear what you said.
I said that the food is not finished. What do you want from me? I take care of your 2 pikin and you are fighting with me because food is not ready.
Chichi, I left this house to come back here without any food.
Why are you shouting?
Why
are you shouting?
I'm not in this house for food.
Why are you shouting? Every time you just shout. Where's your own?
My friend can't.
Hey, Jesus of Nazareth. Oh, Jesus Christ, help me. Why are you calling me?
You see what your daughter is wearing?
Did I put clothes on?
What I'm wearing?
What kind of
There's nothing wrong with what I'm wearing. There's nothing wrong.
There is nothing wrong with this.
Nothing wrong.
You look like
Chinelo, bring the money.
Who are you shouting?
Bring the money for me.
Who are you shouting?
Bring the money.
Hey! Shut up! I hear people.
This is what's in
I
style.
finish your life. Old
fashioned.
Did you hear? This is what is style. So it is in style. This is what I shall.
Then bring the money for me.
What?
My friend, go and change that nonsense.
Jesus, so hey, Jesus.
I said, get out.
That's your child.
I said, go and change that rubbish. Can't imagine. By the way, where is Ade?
Ade.
Has someone come to see his useless Akata friends?
Ade Bayo.
Ade,
what's going on, God?
Hey?
What's going on?
Ade, you know what? Just remove the trouser. You don't need it again.
Come on, Dad, but...
No. Excuse me, sir.
He says what? Is this?
What is it?
Is this?
What's wrong with you?
Is that what I'm sending you to school to
him?
Come on! Put that up! Idiots!
Chichi. Ma? Chichi. How are you? I'm good. You're still packing? Yep. I told you to pack 2 days ago.
Mommy, stop that now.
What is wrong with you? How you doing? I'm fine. What's up? What do you have here?
Just my clothes and
Yeah, now show me now. Let me see.
Okay. Let me show you.
Don't be packing and share clothes to college.
I'm not.
You are going to get an education, not
this is not that. Wear it on top and then you can wear like a.
Where's the rest of the clothes?
This is it.
Yo, I can't wait to go to school. Freedom. Damn.
Ade!
Daddy.
My boy! Huh?
Yeah.
Good.
Finally going to college, you know?
I know! You're not a big boy, eh? My son, I hope you have everything you want,
Yes,
eh?
I do.
Good boy. I know when you go to that college, you just enter the teens list.
You know, I'll try to get all straight A's, always be in the library. I'll make your mommy proud.
My son!
Make your mommy proud.
You see, what if you're doing like this, I will not have any problem with you, eh? Because you know, back in the days, I used to walk 50 miles. Hey! 50.
Just to go to school?
To go to school, my leg, like this, finish.
Oh, wow.
My son! You see, that's why, when you graduate, I will tell all my friends, I will do big party for you. Just get only A's. And you know, if you're acting like this, we will not have any problem.
I mean, Dad, you know I'm a good boy, but you know.
See, let me tell you, no Akata friends.
I got it.
All these girls that are shaking their bum and their frontal.
Oh, no, you good. I'm not.
All these are shower, no, none of that.
That is it. Okay, let me see the next one. Fashion. Did we send you to school to learn fashion?
Mommy, yes.
The fashion you want to do for school?
Look at this dress. See, I had to slip on the side. You read this. You see, fashion.
I told you I'm gonna get straight A's.
Very good.
Yeah, I'll make you proud.
Bye.
Yeah, Papa.
I hope you got a war or poto. I hope you have everything you
I have
want.
everything. I have.
Let me see.
For my watch.
Hey, your watch, don't worry.
Mommy, I can't wait to go. You see the fashion.
Okay, I'm done. Give me. Oh, what is this rubbish you're packing?
Mommy, I've already packed my
What?
stuff.
I just can't sit down. Stop.
Let me see.
No, it's fine. I'll find it.
If I slap you, come on, you will evaporate. Come on. Let me see. I hope good. I like that you have your.
You gave it to me.
Yeah, your roots.
I've already